These advanced chainsaws are designed with precision and speed in mind, delivering excellent levels of performance. With advanced engineering and advanced technology, these chainsaws have revolutionized the tree falling and lumber cutting process. Let's see with me how effectively they work. The Stihl MS661cm chainsaw stands out as the pinnacle of advanced technology and outstanding performance. With a weight of only 7.4 kilograms, it perfectly combines a lightweight design with a powerful power of 5.4 kilowatts. This advanced chainsaw is not only a testament to precision engineering, but also boasts impressive productivity, making it the right choice for harvesting trees and timbering forestry. Modern Japanese chainsaws easily process large-diameter trees with precision. With advanced technology and equipped with a high-performance motor, this modern chainsaw has outstanding diameter cutting capabilities, handling trees up to 36 inches in diameter with ease. The Ogawa Pro VX73 chainsaw is a powerful machine that is trying its hand at cutting through 10 logs, each 18 inches in diameter and 12 feet long. With outstanding efficiency, this advanced chainsaw completes the task in just 90 minutes. The Stihl 064 AV chainsaw roars to life in the heart of the dense forest, easily cutting through towering tree trunks. With its superior cutting capabilities, it can handle logs of impressive sizes. The precision and power of the 064 AV is evident as it quickly turns the jungle giants into logs. The machine is equipped with advanced blade technology, allowing for the quick and precise removal of large tree trunks. Operating at a speed of approximately 50 to 100 cubic feet of wood per hour, the saw machine becomes an expanded tool for forestry professionals, ensuring both productivity and finesse in the art of tree cutting. With a compact and advanced design, the Makita DUC353 chainsaw boasts outstanding cutting ability, effectively handling different sizes of wood. With a chain speed of approximately 1,200 meters per minute, the DUC353 ensures fast and convenient wood cutting, making it a reliable choice for even professional carpenters. The chainsaw roared, cutting into the trunk of a towering cedar tree more than 200 years old, with a trunk nearly 3 meters in circumference. The precision of the chainsaw is remarkable, cutting down trees with ease. With a cutting speed of 30 inches per minute, it meticulously dismantles the venerable giant. This complex operation combines advanced technology with skilled tree cutting techniques. The Sunjoe SWJ803E electric chainsaw easily handles hard-to-reach tree branches, making tree care a breeze. With a powerful motor and cutting capacity up to 10 inches, this chainsaw ensures effective and safe removal of overgrown limbs. The Husqvarna 3120 chainsaw is a formidable presence as it easily cuts through huge blocks of wood. With super powerful cutting capabilities, this chainsaw is equipped with a capacity of 118.8 cubic centimeters and a guide bar length of up to 42 inches, demonstrating its ability to handle large logs with ease. The Logosol Farmer's M8 is a portable woodworking machine designed to cut wood into planks and slats, combining it with a chainsaw for amazing efficiency. The Stihl HTA 135 cordless pruning saw stands out as an advanced solution for dealing with tall, hard-to-reach branches. With a cutting length of up to 4 meters, this precision tool is designed to easily prune trees in difficult locations. Equipped with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery, it ensures extended usage time without compromising performance. This powerful V8-powered hot saw is capable of cutting wood objects up to 30 inches in length in as little as 2 seconds. This powerful V8-powered hot saw is capable of cutting 30-inch logs in less than 2 seconds. With a cutting speed of approximately 60 feet per second, this powerful tool makes quick work of cedar tree processing. Sawmills have proven to be an indispensable ally in harvesting, yielding significant yields of high-quality wood. They were cutting down a large cypress tree to build a temple. In addition to delicate tree cutting techniques, equipping such sharp sawing machines is essential. As we witness incredible advancements in chainsaw technology, these remarkable machines continue to play an important role in the forestry industry. If you're impressed with the machine, please leave a comment to let us know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to update notifications about the latest videos. See you in the next video.